Oh, wow.
Huh?
Crazy.
Oh, whoop. Trying to get a hold of the wrist. You just follow me through the bush.
That was the loudest burp I've ever heard of a burp. Oh! It's fishy. Oh, wow.
Huh?
Crazy.
Oh, oh, there's two of them. They're rainbows. Right there. Look at them. It's a pair.
So what do they do?
So that's the male with the red down the side.
And then do they just die when the water stops running? How are they going to get to where they need to go?
That is the ultimate fucking question here because they are kind of stuck in here on high water now. We need to get them over to the river.
How?
Pick them up, take them over. Where's the river? We need to get them into the river because they were trying to climb up this and that's not right. Where is the river? It's on the other side of that bank right there. We need to get them over there.
You have to look at them, see if you can find a path first.
Well, I'm literally just going to take the fucking straight path right here because they came up this way. Yeah, and get through right here. This isn't muddy either. Yeah, we're gonna have to carry them over for sure because those two will die in there. So that's the river right there. Yeah, it brings us right out to the clay banks. Those are the banks we used to slide down as kids. However, I do not want slime on this one. Where did y'all go?
Oh, whoop. There's one. Oh, that's big.
Good sized little rainbows.
Yeah. Come here, Pen. Come here. No?
Oh, I gotta get it up beach.
All the animals knew when you were trying to do good things for them. Oh, you're gonna get. Oh, it's gonna go under.
Keep an eye on that one. Maybe we grab that one.
Grab that one. Grab that one.
I got no way to get over here though.
Oh, farts.
Right? Come on. Get up out of there. Trying to get a hold of the wrist. It's very tricky.
If only they knew you were trying to help them.
I know. Yeah, if only they knew.
To 360. Don't know how I did that. Don't know what I did. No idea. Don't know how to fix it. How do you spin it back around?
Worry about it.
Adventures of hiking with two animal lovers. Saving fishes. Mr. Pets is currently ramboing through the woods because there are fish stuck.
Just, can you see his eyes in his face right there? Right? You just follow me through the bush. There's a ton of rainbow over there. Well, it is springtime, so it's steelhead season, right?
In the river that you dropped it off?
Yeah, right where I dropped them, there's rainbow everywhere spawning. This is spawning season for rainbow. That was a big, nice male. Okay, sweetheart. Your turn. Your turn, baby.
She looks stuck.
Come on. I need you out. Let's get you over where everybody else is. Come on. Oh, that's a beautiful hen.
Our dog doesn't listen. I don't think a fish is going to listen.
You get me moving, people are going to be able to get all this anyway.
Just roll my ankle again.
I'll let you get up to the water here. There's a bunch right here.
You good?
Yep. Yep. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Fishing's fun. But there's a bunch right here. There's a pair spawning right here. There's a male right there that's shaking. See them?
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take it.
Yeah, it's a really good spot for the beds right here.
Wow.
Cool.
Took about, I don't know, half an hour.
Awesome. Save some fish.
And then what do? You flick it?
Tip it down. Tap the trigger if you want.
Tap, 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 tap.
Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Woo.
Woo, woo.
Yeah.
How's that for?
Yeah.
See, I managed to get it around before, but there should be like a way that you can just hit it and it goes back.
Well, that's the whole point of that.
Okay, get your ass up the hill.
Oh yeah. Oh no.
I'm slipping.
Well, that was eventful.
I think you worked hard.
Oh, my socks are soaked. Everything's soaked. Yep.